the next example is if x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x bracket raised to 1 by 3. So let us solve. So what is x? It is a cos cube t. So I differentiate x with respect to t. So we get dx by dt equal to, first we find derivative of this power. So derivative of this power is 3a cos square t into derivative of cos t is minus sin t, or this can be written as minus 3a sin t into cos square t. So this is the value of dx by dt. Similarly, we find derivative of y. So what is y? Y is equal to a sin cube t. If I differentiate y with respect to t, then its derivative dy by dt equal to 3a sin square t into derivative of sin t is cos t. Now we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus y by x bracket raised to 1 by 3. So by using formula of parametric function, first we find dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. If I put the values, dy by dt is equal to 3a cos t into sin square t upon value of dx by dt minus 3a sin t into cos square t. So one sin get cancelled, one cos get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, a get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus sin t upon cos t. So this is the dy by dx. But we have to show that this minus y by x bracket raised to 1 by 3, and our answer of dy by dx is minus sin t upon cos t. So now I am adjusting these two equations. So from this, what is x? It is a cos cube t. So from this we can write x by t is equal to cos cube t. Now if you observe this, show that part, here is the 1 by third power. So if I take cube root on both sides, so by taking cube root on both the sides, so cube root of this x by a is what? X by a bracket raised to 1 by 3, and cube root of cos cube is cos t. Similarly, we find the cube root of this y. So what is y? Y is equal to a sin cube t. So from this, y by a is equal to sin cube t. And if I take cube root on both sides, then after taking cube root, it is y by a bracket raised to 1 by 3 is equal to sin t. Now I replace this both values, value of cos t and value of sin t in dy by dx. So what we get by using this? So by using this part, our original equation becomes minus value of sin t is y by a bracket raised to 1 by 3. Y by a bracket raised to 1 by 3 upon value of cos t is x by a bracket raised to 1 by 3. Now both numerator and denominator have the same power raised to 1 by 3. So we can write in one bracket y by a upon x by a whole bracket raised to 1 by 3. So here a get cancelled and our final answer is minus y by x bracket raised to 1 by 3. So this is the solution of question number 4 from exercise 1.4. Now we solve next example, question number 5. Next example is x is equal to, fifth one, x is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 in bracket t plus 3, and y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Then show that dy by dx is equal to minus root 3y upon 2x. We have to show that this term. So x is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 3, y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Then show that dy by dx is equal to minus root 3y upon 2x. So let us solve this. So what is x? X is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 in bracket t plus 3. First we differentiate this x with respect to t because here t is a parameter. If I differentiate x with respect to t, then dx by dt is equal to derivative of this power first. So its derivative is 4 into 2 8 cos raised to 3 in bracket t plus 3. Then derivative of this cos, which is minus sin t plus 3, and derivative of t plus 3 is 1. So this minus sign we get 8 sin t plus 3 into cos cube in bracket t plus 9. So this is the value of dx by dt. Now we find derivative of y. So what is y? Y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4 in bracket t plus 3. Again we differentiate this with respect to t. So differentiate y with respect to t. Then dy by dt is equal to 12 sin cube bracket in bracket t by t plus 3 into derivative of this sin is cos of t plus 3. So value of dy by dt is equal to 12 cos t plus 3 into sin cube t plus 3. So this is the value of dy by dt. Now we find dy by dx by using these both equations. Call it equation 1, this is equation 2. So by using equation 1 and equation 2, value of dy by dx equal to, what is the formula? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. So if I put the values, value of dy by dt, which is 12 cos t plus 3 into sin cube t plus 3 upon minus 8 sin t plus 3 into cos cube t plus 3. So here if I divide by 4, then here remaining part is 3. Then this one sin get cancelled with this power, then one cos get cancelled with this power. So what is remaining in the numerator? 3 sin square t plus 3. 3 sin square t plus 3, and in the denominator what is remaining? Minus 2 cos square t plus 3. Minus 2 cos square t plus 3. So this is the remaining part. But this is the known value of dy by dx. But we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus square root of 3y upon 2x. So for this, we have to simplify these two equations by using the values of x and y. So now I am simplifying these two values. So what is x? X is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 3. So from this, x by 2, if I shift this 2 into left hand side, what is cos raised to 4 plus t by 3. Now if I take square root on both sides, or by taking square root on both sides, so what we get? On the left hand side it is x by 2, and here already the power is cos raised to 4. Now if I take square root, then this power will come up. So cos square t plus 3, right? Now call this as equation 1. This is equation 2, not 1 and 2. We call this as 3. This equation as 4. Now similarly, we simplify value of y. So what is y? 3 sin bracket s to 4 into t plus 3. So from this, y by 3 is equal to sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Now by again taking square root on both sides. So if I take square root on both sides, then here we get root of y by 3 and here sin square t plus 3. Right? Call this as equation number 5. So by using the values of sin square t plus 3 and cos square t plus 3, this dy by dx becomes, here I write that by using equation 3 and 4 and 5. So now by equation 4 and 5, value of dy by dx is equal to, now here 3 as it is and value of sin square is what? Root y plus 3. So this 3 into root y plus 3 upon value of cos square t plus 3, this minus 2 as it is, and value of cos square is root x by 2. So minus 2 root x by 2. Now we know that we can write x as root x into root x. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Similarly this 2 also. So if I write like that, then this minus sign into this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Then this root y upon root 3. Similarly here, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into root x upon root 2. So 1 root 3 get cancelled, 1 root 2 get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus root 3 root y upon root 2 root x. The root is present in every term, so we can write it like this, 3y upon 2x. So this part we have to show. So dy by dx is equal to minus